A defendant walks in thinking she can outsmart the system. But what happens next proves that in Judge Boyd's courtroom, there are no shortcuts.
All right, so this is what the issue is, what I'm receiving. You're not submitting for your UAs. Why are you not submitting? I mean, if she's on the docket for a hearing.
Wait until you see this so-called purse trick. It's not just bizarre, it's a straight-up disaster waiting to happen.
All right, so this is what the issue is, what I'm receiving. You're not submitting for your UAs. Why are you not submitting for UAs?
I did submit for 2 UAs. The sample wasn't enough, so they poured it out and told me I had to come back. And in both situations, I had gave them the last bit of money that I had just to do the UA. And they told me that in order to come back, I would have to pay for it again. I didn't have the money to pay for it again. So I was running around trying to get the money.
Quick insight. When defendants confidently say their test will be negative, judges already know the odds aren't in their favor. It's almost a courtroom cliche.
So when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right, so we're going to have her do a drug test today.
Yes.
All right, and then we'll come back, have you come back this afternoon. Just give me one moment.
Again, Donna.
She's going to tell you.
Oh, okay. Before can I talk to you about something?
You can talk to me after you do your UA.
Oh. I did one, just probation sent me to do one yesterday too.
All right, we're going to do this one today. All right, thank you. Anyone else?
Yes, Hi.
Tyler Ketchum.
Morning, Judge, for present.
All righty.
Many unbearable hours later.
Yes, and probation will go over conditions with you. If there's something you don't understand, let them know.
Excuse me.
So any update on the person who went to do the UA? Did she never show?
Be honest. Would you risk skipping out on court like this? Drop a yes or a no in the comments. I'm betting most of you wouldn't dare.
No, let's not do that because I'll have you drug tested today. So how often have you been using?
Well, I mean, I didn't start like long time ago, but
All right, let me explain something to you, Mr. Gomez. When I would represent clients, especially when I would represent clients in Child Protective Services, I would always tell them, where you are today, hopefully this is not where you will end up. So if you're using drugs today, if you have committed a crime today, you're applying for deferred adjudication. I'm inclined to give it to you. So my goal for you is to make sure that, one, you no longer use controlled substances and you get your life together. But in order for me to help you and for your attorney to help you, you got to be honest. So today, you're not going to prison because either I'm going to accept this offer or not. If I don't accept this plea bargain agreement, guess what? You get to withdraw your plea. If I do accept this plea bargain agreement, guess what? I'm trying to give you help that you need so you can be clean and sober. You understand? So we're going to pretend like the conversation that you just told me never happened. So how often are you using?
often,
What does that mean? How often?
like maybe twice a week,
All right. When's the last time you used?
Saturday.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
And what did you use? All right. Is heroin the only thing you're using? And your brother, I see he was in the vehicle with you as well. Is he using as well?
My older brother,
Your older brother? All right. Do you have any children?
No.
Who do you live with?
my mom,
And I'm sure your mother does not like this, right? How do you support yourself?
working
Doing what?
carpentry work.
Are you doing that on a regular basis?
But right now, the work has slowed down, because all around the city, it's slowed down. But I'm gonna apply where my mom's at McDonald's, because she said that they're hiring.
Well, if you get hired on at McDonald's, I don't know if I can ask for this favor or not, but McDonald's needs to bring back their Cajun fries. Okay? So I'm going to try to get you the help that you need. One of my concerns is you're going to leave here and use. Well, I mean, but this is what we're going to do. You're going to report to felony drug court. And Ms. Abrams, can you see if felony drug court is able to see him either this week or either at the beginning? Probably not. I know. See if they can get him in on Monday. Tell them that he's acting.
And just like that, Judge Boyd flips the script from strict to human. This is why her courtroom moments go viral. 1 second, tough as nails, the next, fighting to save someone's life.
Actively using, and he's actively using heroin, and that I'm afraid that it may be the last time he uses. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna want him to do 3 sober meetings until he has his interview with felony drug court, and I want 3 sober meetings a day. And today, since it's not close to 12, you're going to do 3 today. You understand? Because somebody needs to get in your mind. And that way, if you go there and you really need to use or something's going on, they can talk to you. If you're having withdrawals, you can end up going to the hospital and they can help you. You understand? But do not use, because that may be the last time that you use. Okay. I always tell people this story about the lead singer for, what is the name of that group? No, Steven Tyler. Yeah. Aerosmith. Thank you. Steven Tyler said that he was using drugs. And I want to say, I think he said heroin. And I was watching this documentary because it was about all the 80s bands and the drugs that they used to do. Some of them were so far gone, they would shoot up alcohol in their veins. Why are you shooting up alcohol? I don't know, but they would. So he said it had been so long since he used heroin, because heroin affects the brain in the way it operates, right? He said, I'm watching the news and there's a news report on. And on the news report, there's a guy who just OD'd on heroin, which means he's dead. He's like, my first thought was, man, that must have been some great heroin. Don't you be the person that's on the news when you leave this courtroom and you OD and somebody's like, man, that must have been some great heroin. You understand?
Listen closely. When a judge starts telling stories about overdoses in open court, it's not small talk. It's a warning. She knows some of these defendants won't make it out alive if they keep going.
That would really hurt your mom. And even though you're telling me your brother has a drug problem, that would hurt him as well. And that it'll also hurt your younger brother. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you on 6 years deferred adjudication counsel. If he completes felony drug court and he's successful, I would consider early termination if felony drug court says he's a good candidate for it. I'm going to want, of course, my usual 90 sober meetings in 90 days. But for him, until accepted in felony drug court, I'm going to want 3 sober meetings per day. I'm going to want restitution, $114 for drug testing. I'm going to want field visits. I'm sorry, probation, 2 times per month until he is actually with felony drug court or in some type of treatment. Regular UAs. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation, follow TAP evaluation recommendations. So if he's not accepted into felony drug court, then follow whatever recommendations are for TAP. And I understand that during 3 AA meetings a day plus working, that may be hard on you, but I want us to make sure that he's clean and sober. But we'll do proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors.
Another day, another courtroom roller coaster. What's your take? Too harsh, or exactly what's needed? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next unbelievable case breakdown right here on CaseCrux.
150 hours of community service restitution. I'm not going to waive that. And there's a $500 fine. It will be probated. How far did you go in school?
So 12th grade,
All right, you got your degree?
I didn't get it.
Oh, why not?
I was like, 3 years, 2 grades away. I think it's good. Started working.
All right, probation, is there anything else he needs? All right, is there anything else you need